You're watching the weekly CFD overview of the global financial markets. The euro retained its last week's gains as markets' euphoria after Macron's victory in the first round of the French elections still lasts. According to some statistics, his chances of winning the second round of the elections are increasing. The dollar dropped on Monday. The dollar index was traded at around 99 on Tuesday afternoon. The Institute of Supply Management stated that its Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index dropped sharply to 54.8 in April from 57.2 in the previous month. The British pound sharply strengthened against the US dollar after the release of the positive UK manufacturing activity data on Tuesday. The resistance level of 1.30, though, seems to be a hard one to breach. The Japanese yen is in a downward trend. The Bank of Japan released the March policy meeting minutes. The meeting minutes confirmed what was stated previously, that over time the consumer prices will reach the central bank's 2% inflation target, but the bank will continue the quantitative easing until then. On Monday, the US Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin stated that an economic growth of 3% could be achieved in the next 2 years as Trump's administration is planning to drastically cut taxes. The market participants are keeping an eye on the Federal Reserve's two-day policy meeting this week. While it is expected that the central bank will keep the interest rates, the investors are looking for hints regarding the future rate hikes. The global equity markets were diverse this week. However, the US equity markets were supported by the better-than-expected corporate earnings. The gold prices decreased in the past week, and on Tuesday afternoon, the spot price was at around $1,254 per ounce. The market's participants are assuming that the leading candidate will win the elections on Sunday. At the same time, the tensions around the Korean peninsula are easing. The crude prices dropped after Libya's national oil company announced that its production has risen to the highest level since December 2014. Their plan is to continue to raise the production. The US drillers added 9 more rigs last week, the 15th week in a row, according to Baker Hughes' report. The total number of rigs counts 697. The traders are now hoping that OPEC will extend its production cuts until the end of 2017 on the next meeting on the 25th of May. You are watching the weekly CFD overview of the global financial markets.